Learning with Liam presents Yeshiva Liam! Today's lesson is Arts and Crafts on Manut. Shalom!
Hey Liami, what are we doing today?
We're gonna make our own board game.
We're making our own board game. That's so much fun.
Yay!
What do you want to call your board game?
Liam's Colorful Adventure.
Great idea. Now, how do you say board game in Hebrew?
Mishak Lua.
Nachon me'od, Mishak Luach. And how do we say Liam's Colorful Adventure in Hebrew?
Harpata Sivonit Sheliam.
Wow, איזה יופי. Okay, so let's build it! We made special pieces for our board, right? We printed out the name of our game,
Yeah.
right? Right, Liam's Colorful Adventure. Okay, so why don't we cut that out and we'll put it on our game board. We decided to use this lid from a pizza box, right?
A pizza box.
Yeah, we decided to use a pizza box.
I love my box. I love my box.
So put the glue on. All around. Okay. Go. Right over here. Does that look good?
Yay!
Liam and I decided to make special start and finish pieces. So where are we going to start? So,
Yeshiva Liam
and where are we going to finish?
at Israel.
Excellent! Okay, so let's cut these out too.
Remember, always ask for a grown-up for help.
We start here and end up here. Glue.
Glue,
Glue stick.
glue stick. I'm getting ready to go to Jerusalem.
Did you glue it to your fingers?
Now let's use our faces on the candy lamps.
You can use game pieces that you have, or we thought it would be fun if we got pictures of everyone in the family and put them on our Candyland pieces so that we could play too. So you want to put them on the blue guy?
He's like, hi! And I have a big head.
Hey, you've got a big head.
You get a big
Hey,
head.
you've got a big head.
You got a big head.
I have a baby head. And Ima and Jordan. We need to make the path from start to finish.
Finish.
Perfect.
Now let's draw the square.
Okay, so you want to make the lines for the squares? I'm going to go over this with the marker so it's darker.
Now we just need to color in the pieces.
Okay, so let's do red first, right? Do green first? Okay. I have an idea. The shortcut, should it be like an airplane, like Israel's airplane? El Al. So you want to put it just like that. Here is your glusa. Glue it up.
Glue it up.
If you want to work, that's nice. Yeah. What else do we need to play the game? The cards.
Then we made 3 cards for every color on the board. And we wrote their names in English and Hebrew.
Walk us through your game board. So where do you start on the game? Where are we going to start?
At Yeshiva Liam.
Yeah, we start Yeshivat Liam when we go on all the colors. Oh, we want to try and get on the El Al pass, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we go, and
To
then
win.
yeah, to win, and when you win, you get all the way to
Israel!
woohoo! Okay, so should we get Zoe so we can play and have fun?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, Zoe, you excited to play?
No.
You're not excited to play.
What? What?
That's so silly. Okay, So let's get ready. Okay, so we need Liam and Zoe
Dada.
and Ava.
Now only Ema and Jordan.
Yeah, right. And we also have Ema and Jordan who are they'll watch us play. Okay, so it's Liam's game. It's Liam's Colorful Adventure. So Liam goes first.
I want my passy.
אתה מוכן?
Again.
Okay, pick a card.
Purple.
Favorite?
Circle.
Okay, so let's put it on the bottom. Great. Okay, Zoe, you want to pick a card?
No.
Okay, Zoe also gets purple. Okay, now Abba's turn. Yellow, green. Oh no, I'm losing. You want to pick a card, Zoe? Okay, Zoe gets green. Yellow.
She gets the LO.
She gets the LL pass? Whoa, Zoe's winning and she's not even paying attention.
You said it.
Zoe.
Ready.
Okay, go.
Orange.
All right.
I'm in Zoe's face.
Okay, now Zoe gets... Zoe, you got blue! Oh,
Okay.
okay. Oh, you caught up to Zoe. And Zoe gets...
Red.
Oh my god.
Zoe's winning.
Is Zoe gonna win and she's not even here?
I don't know who's gonna win.
Zoe's turn. Green. Yellow. Okay, now Abba's turn. Kətом. Your turn.
Red.
You win! You got to Israel! You got to Israel! You won!
I have a party in Israel. I have a party in Israel. Have a party in Israel. Thanks everybody for watching today. I had so much fun building and playing my game with you.
And remember, if you want to build your own game to play, all the things that you need are in the description below. And if you want, after you make your game, send us a picture on Facebook, and we'll put it on our page at Learning with Liam Videos.
Thanks, bye-bye! Subscribe and click like. And follow us on Facebook at Learning with Liam Videos.